I just recently took a program at St. John's River State College on manufacturing. I was able to get certified, earn my OSHA 10, earn my CPR, and be able to learn how to rebuild the resume and a cover letter to apply for jobs. And I just landed a job at Marvel today. Hearing that you will earn 15 credits towards an associate's degree of engineering and science, I was ecstatic because I'm like, okay, I've been wanting to go back to school, so I was like, this would be the perfect opportunity for that. I can't even put in words the excitement that I have. Like, I'm like through the roof. I never thought about manufacturing, but I always wanted to do something with science and like engineering and stuff. And to have this opportunity, and it's free, let's do this.